So hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can simply use DreamHost, the hosting platform over there. So how you can simply use, so what are the features of DreamHost, everything I'm going to teach you. So here I have also provided the referral code and referral link in the description box. Please check it out. If you sign up or if you click the link, then you'll get some amount of discount over there. So don't forget to use our referral link to get the heavy cash discount here. So basically, what does DreamHost do? So what is this platform for? So basically, this is the platform for the WordPress hosting and WooCommerce hosting. So it generally provides the hosting for your website, hosting domain for your website. So if you have a WordPress site, then you can simply use the DreamHost platform to purchase the hosting. So it does have a very nice features, and the pricing is also very nice. So you can simply see here like 2.09 per month. So for the WordPress hosting is a charge $2, around $2 or around $3. And for the hosting platform, for the hosting, you can simply see cloud hosting and dedicated server hosting, managed WordPress hosting, WPS hosting, and share website hosting. So it will provide the hosting for you. Okay, so without hosting the website or any kinds of server and any kinds of thing, you can't run easily. So hosting is very important for you. So if you want to purchase the website, then it is the best platform for you. Like custom web page also you can simply buy at $14.99. So custom beautiful WordPress and professional WordPress site, it is providing at $1,499. Fully packaged with hosting you can simply get from here, like WP website builder, and it does have 2.09 per month. So WordPress hosting, and if you need WordPress site, then you can simply go through it. Like for the domain, okay, so you can simply purchase the domain, like for example .com. If you are from Australia, then .au, and if you are from USA, then .us, and if you are from UK, then .uk. So there are all things. So for email hosting also, it is providing the email hosting also. It have a very varieties of features, a very nice and very reliable and budget friendly hosting. So this is the best platform that I have ever seen. Okay, so for the email hosting also, you can simply go through it. And for the pro service, here you can see you can purchase the website, full website at $14.99, and you can simply purchase marketing service, website management service, custom web development service, custom web design, SEO marketing, social media marketing. So here all the features are available here. So if you want to purchase, then this is the best platform for you. Like for the design service, so if you don't know how you can simply design or how you can simply host your site, and if you want to build your website, then you can simply purchase. So DreamHost provides you the best and professional website at just $14.99. So if you want, then if you are interested, so simply you can purchase. And for the marketing service also, it is just providing the back-end service also at $59. Okay, so if you need back-end, then it is providing you like front-end website, WordPress website, and hosting, cloud hosting, email marketing, email hosting, domain, everything it is providing you. So what are you waiting for? Please hurry up and just go through the link that I have provided in the description box, and you will get a heavy cash discount. And after that, you will simply use this DreamHost platform. So this is the best opportunity for you. So if you want to use this platform, then definitely you can use. So Now here you can see I want to sign up, so please tap on get started now. So choose your hosting plan. So what are the features and what are, I have already explained about the features, and it is showing for the yearly plan, monthly plan. So simply you can see for the shared and DreamPress and BPS. So which plan you want to go for example, for share $2.95 per month, $16.95 per month for DreamPress, and $13.75 per month for BPS. So whichever you want to go for, whichever you want to purchase for or buy for, then you can simply go for it. For now I'm just going for the like 2.95 per month, so you need to please sign up over there. So simply choose a domain later, so I'll choose the domain later, so I don't want to choose the domain right now. So simply credit, debit card and PayPal. So if you have a credit, debit or PayPal, so simply you can choose over there. So for example, if you want to do for the PayPal, so simply it does have the PayPal facility also. Simply you can add your number, and after that you can simply pay through it. So for now I'm just going through the credit or debit card. So for now, so I can't provide the details information for you. So for my card number, for my name on the card, so I can't provide you, but so I'm just guiding you. Okay, so later on, while I'll just pause the record, and then after I'll just enter my all the details over there. So I cannot show you, it is against the algorithm, it is against the YouTube policy. Okay, so card name, you can simply use your card name and card number, like expiry date and security code. After that you can simply fill the captcha over there. After that, add to credit card, simply tap on add to credit card. So for now I cannot show you, so simply I just guided over there. So later on I'll just go through it. So here you can see, so after the login process, and after the, so whichever platform or whichever hosting you want to do for, the latest deal for DreamHost save now. So simply you can do for it, like WordPress hosting, website hosting, .com domain names and free WordPress. So whichever plan you want to go for, simply you can go through it. Like DreamHost help you succeed. Okay, definitely it will succeed over there. So 67% off here, so 92% off for the domain. So simply if you go through the link that I have provided, then you will get the happy cash discount offer that I have already told you. So please go through the referral link. So that's what I want to say for. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. So don't forget to use the referral code. So we'll be uploading more videos. Till then, bye bye and take care. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.